Hello everyone, welcome to S Square again. Mean, median, mode. These are the values of central tendency. What's central tendency? Many situations, we require a particular number to represent a data. Data means a group of numbers. So that is the central number. That's the average for those numbers. So mean, median and mode are the ways to find the representative data. When do we use mean? When do we use median or mode? For a teacher, if he conducts a test for a group of students, he cannot compare the students with the marks he obtained, because some exams will be easy, some exams will be very difficult. So some particular mark is good or bad. To say that, we need to know the average mark. To compare two divisions of one class or two groups of students, we always need an average. In this situation, the teacher uses the average called mean. Take another situation. We want to find the average height of a group of students. What we can do? We can make them stand in a line in the order of their heights, from the shortest to the tallest, and pick the middle one. That will be the average height, that is called median. Another occasion is, consider a shopkeeper. Somebody is asking, what is the average income or average collection you get daily? He will not say the collection he got in the weekend or the highest one. He will not say the odd one, like very least collection. He will say the collection which is most repeating, which he gets most of the days. That is called mode. So to calculate the mean, you add all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. For the median, you write the numbers in the order, the smallest to the largest, and pick the middle one. If even number of numbers are there, then there will be two numbers in the middle. Then you can take the average of these two numbers. For the mode, you can take the most occurring one, the most repeating one. Let's work out some exam style questions. Question number 1. James has a spinner that has sections labeled 1 to 5. He spins the spinner 10 times. Here are the scores. Find the mode. What's mode? Mode is the most repeating, most occurring one. So you can see that 1 is repeating 3 times and 4 is repeating 4 times. All of the numbers are only ones. So the mode should be 4. Work out the mean. Mean can be defined as sigma x over n. Sigma x means the sum of all the numbers, over n means the number of numbers. So let's add all of them and divide by 10. So the mean is 2.9. Work out the range. What's range? The range means the largest number minus the smallest number. So in this data, 5 is the largest and 1 is the smallest. So the range is 4. Second question. Simon records the number of minutes she spends on her mobile phone over 7 days. Find the median. Median means the middle one. So we have to arrange the data in the order. So the least is 5 and the highest is 24. Let's arrange it. You can see that 10 is the middle one. So that is the median. Here are the ages of 9 children at the birthday party. Find the mode. So in this data, 10 is occurring 3 times. 12 is occurring 2 times. So the most occurring one is 10. 10 is the mode. Find the median. So let's write these numbers in order. So the middle number is 12. That's the median. Work out the range. Range means the highest minus the lowest. That is 15 minus 10, which is 5. Work out the mean. So we have to add everything and divide by the number of numbers. So it's 11.9. Question number 4. A football team played 6 games. So numbers are given. Their goals are given. Work out the median number of goals scored. So for finding median, we are writing the numbers in order. So 0 to 6, we have written in the order. We can see that since the number of numbers is even, so in the middle we have 2 numbers. They are 2 and 3. Which is the median? Median is the average of 2 and 3. That is 2 plus 3 over 2. That is 5 over 2, which is 2.5. What's the mean of the goals? Number of goals. Mean of the number of goals is the sum of the number of goals divided by 6. Because there are 6 games. So answer is 3. There is an additional question. The football team play one more game. the mean number of goals scored increases to 4. So earlier the mean was 3, now it increases to 4. So we have to find what's the number of goals which scored in the 7th game. So in the new average, in the new mean, there will be 7 games. So n was 6 before. Now 6 plus 1 more game, that is 7 games are there. So if the mean is 4, 4 into 7, 28 is the total of all the 7 scores. Total for the 6 scores we got before 18. Total for the 7 scores we got 28. So total is the mean times the number of games. Mean is 4 and number of games is 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. And for the 6 games we got the total before, which is 18. So the last goal will be 28 minus 18, which is 10. Question number 5. Miss Jones gives her class a test. 40 marks. The scores are given. Work out the mode. You can see that 32 is occurring twice. All other numbers only once. So 32 must be the mode. For the median, we can write in the order. So you can see that 32 is in the middle and that's the median. For the range, we can take the highest minus lowest. That is 38 minus 20, which is 18. Then there is an additional question. The pass mark for the test is 75%. How many students passed the test? So the total marks is 40. Pass mark is 75%. 75% of 40 is 75 over 100 times 40, which is 30 marks. So more than 30 marks, how many students got? 5 students. There is an interesting question here. Shown below are 5 cards which are arranged in order from smallest to largest. Only one number is given, which is 5. The other 4 numbers are not given. But the range of the cards is 4. So if the range is 4, that means the highest minus the lowest is 4. So the highest should be 5 plus 4, which is 9. So we got the last number, which is 9. So we need to find only 3 numbers in between. Then the median of the cards is 8. Median should be in the middle. So the middle number is 8. So we got the first number 5 already given. And the last number using the range we got, which is 9. And the median is 8, which is in the middle. So we need to find the second and fourth numbers. So what are the chances for the second number? They are 5, 6, 7 or 8. Fourth number, it can be 8 or 9. But the mean is 7. So the total can be mean times the number of numbers. That is 5 times 7, which is 35. And existing numbers, the numbers we have got are 5, 8 and 9. The sum is coming to be 22. So the missing 2 numbers sum will be 35 minus 22, which is 13. 13 is the sum of the second number and fourth number. So fourth number cannot be 9 because 13 minus 9 is 4, which cannot be the second number because second number should be 5, 6, 7 or 8. So the fourth number can be only 8 and the second number will be 13 minus 8, which is 5. So all the numbers listed 5, 8, 8 and 9 missing numbers. See one more question. A set of 6 numbers have a median of 5. All of the numbers are even. The range of the numbers is 6. The mode of the numbers is 4. Write down a possible set of 6 numbers. If the mode of the numbers is 4, 4 should come at least twice. So let's write 4 and 4. Now there are 6 numbers only and the median is 5. So median will be the average of middle 2 numbers. So in the middle there should be 4 and 6 to make the median 5 because all the numbers are even. So we got first 6 numbers 4, 4, 4 and 6. And the last number should be 10 because the range is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. And just before 10, it could be 8 or 6 or it could be 10 also. They are asking the possible set of numbers. So it can be 4, 4, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Let's solve some questions with frequency tables. See this question. What is the meaning of this table? You can see number of sweets and frequency. That means 23 sweets, one bag. In one bag, 23 sweets are there. And 24 sweets, 4. That means there are 4 bags with 24 sweets. Then there are 9 bags with 25 sweets. That is the meaning of this table. So when we find the mean, we normally add the numbers. But we cannot add 23 plus 24 plus 25 because 23 is once but 24 is repeating 4 times. So when we add, we have to add 23 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. Like this 25 we have to add 9 times. So instead of that, we make one more column which is x times f. X is the number of sweets and f is the frequency, how many times it is appeared. So f times x means 23 times 1, which is 23. 24 times 4, which is 96. 25 times 9, 225. 26 times 3, 78. 27 times 3, which is 81. Now, we are adding 23 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 like that. So, instead of that, we can add the last column, which is 23 plus 96 plus 225 plus 78 plus 81. That's the sum of x. So here it is the sum of fx. So 503. And how many bags are there? There is one bag with 23. There are 4 bags with 24. That means 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3. That is the sum of f. That's the number of bags, which is 20, which is already given in the question. So the mean will be, here we can write the formula x bar. The mean is, instead of sigma x over n, here we can write sigma fx over sigma f. That is 503 divided by 20, which is 25.15. See this question. Robbie played 20 football matches for his school team. The number of goals scored in each game are shown in the table. So 0 goals in 3 games, 1 goal in 5 games, like that. So for finding the mean, we have to make another column, which is f times x. So 0 times 3 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 9 is 18. Like this we make the last column. Now we have to add the number of matches, which is sigma f, that's the new n, and the sum of fx, which is the sum of the data, which is 34. So 34 divided by 20 is equal to 1.7 is the mean. See this question. Alex works for the council. He records the number of people in cars traveling down a street over 1 hour. Here are his results. So number of people in each car, there is 1 person in 41 cars, 2 persons in 54 cars, 3 persons in 32 cars, 4 persons in 20 cars, and 5 persons in 3 cars. So what's the first question? Work out the total number of cars that travel down the street. So the total number of cars will be 41 plus 54 plus 32 plus 20 plus 3, which is 150. And second question is, work out the total number of people that traveled in cars down the street. So in 41 cars, only 1 person each. So 41 times 1, which is 41. 54 cars, there are 2 people each. So 54 times 2, which is 108. Likewise, 32 times 3, which is 96. 20 times 4 is 80. 3 times 5 is 15. So the total is coming 340. Then C, work out the mean number of people traveling in each car. That is 340 divided by 150, which is 2.27. That means 2 persons. You know that when you round it, you get 2. Average number of people is 2. So this is exactly similar to sigma fx divided by sigma f. This is a very interesting question. Simon rolls a fair 6-sided dice 30 times. He records the results in a table. However, misses 2 of the frequencies. So the numbers, he got 1 6 times, he got 2 3 times, he got 3 5 times, but 4 how many times? He did not record it. 5 he did not record, but 6 he got 6 times. The mean result is 3.5. Work out the 2 missing numbers. He has done this for 30 times. So the number in the frequency, when we add it, the sum should be 30. So if the first missing number, which is against 4, is taken as x, which is unknown, the next should be 10 minus x, because we already have 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. When you subtract this sum from 30, you get 10. So the sum of the frequencies against 4 and 5 will be 10. So if the number against 4 is taken as x, then the number against 5 will be 10 minus x. Now from this table, we can multiply and make the new column. So we just multiply 1 into 6, which is 6, 2 into 3, which is 6. Like this, when you multiply, you get this table. So what is the sum of the last, which we normally call fx? So you can add the numbers 6 plus 6 plus 15 plus 50 plus 36. You get 113. Then the terms with x are 4x and minus 5x. So when you simplify that, you get minus x. the mean is given to be 3.5. So 113 minus x divided by 30 is equal to 3.5. Now we can use the formulas in the equation. That is 113 minus x is equal to 105. So x is equal to 113 minus 105, which is 8. Missing frequencies will be 8 and the other one is 10 minus 8, which is 2. Let's learn how to find the median from the frequency tables. See this table. The table shows the ages of an under 21 rugby squad. So this means, as I explained before, 18 is repeating 5 times. If you write as a raw data, 18, 18, 18, 18, you have to write 5 times, and 19, you have to write 5 times. So that is reduced to a table. That's the meaning of this table. Now how to find the median? We already studied how to find the mean. Now we are studying the median. So in usual cases, we list the numbers 18, 18, 18, 18 like this and up to 21 4 times. Then we find the middle one. But we have an easy way. For that, we need to make one more column. So that column is called cumulative frequency. To get the cumulative frequency, write the first frequency, which is 5 against 5. Then against the second line, we write 5 plus 5. That is 2 frequencies together added, that is 10. Then next is 5 plus 5 plus 9, which is 19. Or this is equal to 10 plus 9. And the last number is all the 4 added, you get 23. Or you can easily make it 19 plus 4, which is 23. Now this 23 will be the sum of all the numbers, frequencies, that is 5 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4, which is 23. Now for the median, let's see what is the meaning of this cumulative frequency. In the first line, we got 5 cumulative frequency. That means the number of people who are having the age 18 is 5. Next is 10. That means age up to 19 is 10. 19 means age up to 20 is 19. 23 means age up to 21 is 23. So this is the meaning of cumulative frequency. Now to find the median from the CF, the median is the middle number. There are 23 people. So the middle will be 23 plus 1, which is 24, and make it half. That is n plus 1 over 2. 23 plus 1 over 2, which is 12. So 12th number will be the median. See that 12 is not the median. 12th number is the median. So what is the 12th number? First 5 numbers are 18. See the CF. So next 5 to 10. That is 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Number will be 19. Then after 10, that is 11th number till 19th will be 20. From 20th number, 21st number, 22nd number, 23rd number will be 21. So the last 4 numbers are 21. So this is the meaning of CF, you know. So 12th number will be, of course, after 10. That is in the third line, which is 20. So that is the median now. So to find the median, if the sum of the frequency is odd number, you add 1 and divide by 2. And that is the middle number. Here it is 12th. So first 5 numbers are 18. 6th to 10th number are 19. 11th till 19th number is 20. So 12th number will be 20. See the second question. A survey was taken of the amount of money spent at a greengrocer's by 50 shoppers on a Saturday. The table shows the results. So here the difference is the first column, you can see they are not just numbers, they are groups. So the first group is 0 to 5. That means in between 0 and 5 up to 5. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These amounts 4 people. Then after 5 till 10. That is 6 euros, 7 euros, 8 euros, 9 euros and 10 euros. Maybe in between decimal also, maybe 7.5. This all can come. So after 5 till 10th is 12. So the group 10 and 15, 26 people purchased for 11 to 15. So 8 people purchased in between 15 and 20. So let's form the CF, cumulative frequency, 4, then 4 plus 12, which is 16, 16 plus 26, which is 42, 42 plus 8, which is 50. That will be the sum of frequency, which is 50. So the number of people, that is the sum of the frequency is 50, even number. So the median will be the average of 2 numbers in the middle. That is 50 divided by 2, which is 25th, then 26th, add 25th and 26th and divide by 2. That average of middle 2 numbers will be the median, as we did before. So what is the 25th number and 26th number? You know, see after 16th, 17th, 18th up to 42nd, they fall in the group of 10 and 15. So in the group of 10 and 15, the number 17th till 42nd is coming. So 25th and 26th, they both are in this. So their average also will be in this. So the median is in the group of 10 and 15. See this question. George records the times taken by 20 students to complete a puzzle. So 0 to 3 minutes, 1 person. 3 to 6 minutes, 2 persons. 6 to 9 minutes, 5 persons, like that. What is the cumulative frequency table? Against 1, it is 1. Then 1 plus the second frequency, 1 plus 2, which is 3. 3 plus third frequency, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. The sum of the pupils will be 20. So the median will be the middle one, which is 10th item plus 11th item divided by 2. And 10th and 11th, they are coming after 8, which is the fourth line, 9, 12, that is the class. Let's see one more. A manager recorded how long each customer spent in his supermarket. The table shows his results. So here also we have to form the cumulative frequency. The first line cumulative frequency will be 24. Now 24 plus 31 is 55. 55 plus 50 is 105. 105 plus 35 is 140. 140 plus 60 is 200. So the middle will be 200 divided by 2, which is 100, and the next divided by 2. This 100 and 101, they are coming in the third line. So 105 is the frequency, because from 56th till 105, it is coming in the third line. So the group is 20 and 30. In this, the questionnaire is not asking the median, but I'll explain how to find the median. The method is called Interpolation Method. See this. We will draw a line, and on the ends we will write 20 and 30. We know that the median is in between 20 and 30. So median is coming in between 20 and 30, which is M. And which number is M? You know that 20 is coming 55th, because before that class it ends with 55. 30 is coming 105th, because that cumulative frequency 105 you can see. Now which number is median? 100th number is median. To find it, we have a method. M minus 20 divided by 100 minus 55 is equal to 30 minus 20 divided by 105 minus 55. Now you can simplify this. M minus 20 divided by 45 is equal to 10 divided by 50. Now M minus 20 is equal to 10 divided by 50 times 45, which is 9. So M is equal to 29. This is the median. Now let's solve questions from past papers. These are mixed ones. It can be mean, median, mode, or table, without table, anything. So the first question. At the end of 10 games, their mean score is 35 points per game. At the end of 11 games, their mean score has gone down to 33 points per game. So basically, the mean of 10 numbers is equal to 35 and mean of 11 numbers is 33. If mean of 10 numbers is 35, the total of 10 numbers will be 10 times 35, which is 350. If mean of 11 numbers is 33, the total will be 11 times 33, which is 363. So that extra item in 11 will be 363 minus 350, which is 13. Next, the mean of 4 numbers is 2.6. One of the 4 numbers is 5. Find the mean of other 3 numbers. So if mean of 4 numbers is 2.6, the total will be 4 times 2.6, which is 10.4. Then 10.4 minus 5, which is 1 number. So it is 5.4. So the other 3 numbers, the sum will be 5.4. Their average, their mean will be 5.4 divided by 3, which is 1.8. Next question. A group of students take a test. The group consists of 12 boys and 8 girls. The mean mark for the boys is 18. The mean mark for the girls is 16.5. Calculate the mean mark for the whole group. So we need to find the total marks of boys and 12 marks of girls also. There are 12 boys and the mean is 18. So 12 times 18 is 216. 8 girls and the mean is 16.5 and the total is 132. So the grand total will be 216 plus 132, which is 348. And the total number of students will be 12 plus 8, which is 20. So 348 divided by 20, which is 17.4. See another one. 20 men, 10 women and 10 children are in a competition. The mean score for the women is 15.6. So their total will be 10 times 15.6, which is 156. Mean is 9.2. So 10 times 9.2 is equal to 92. So the sum is 156 plus 92, which is 248. Then all of them together, there are 40 people. So 40 times their mean of all 40 people is 11.2. So 40 times 11.2 will be 448. And for women and children, we got the sum 248. So 448 minus 248 is equal to 200. This is for men. So the total for men is equal to 200. And there are 20 men. So 200 divided by 20, 10 will be the mean. Next question. Majid carried out a survey of the number of school dinners 32 students had in 1 week. The table shows this information. So for the mean, there should be one more column, which is F times X. So 0 times 0, 1 times 8, 2 times 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 2 is 10. And for the mean, the last column sum divided by the second column sum. The last column sum is 76. The second column sum is 32. So 76 divided by 32, which is 2.375, or we can write as 2.38. See another question. The table gives information about the distances in kilometers Darren traveled to deliver 100 parcels. So there are 100 parcels. 28 of them he traveled 0 to 5 kilometers. 32 parcels he traveled 5 to 8, 10 kilometers. That is more than 5 up to 10 kilometers. More than 10 up to 15 kilometers, 20 parcels. So here for the mean we need to find F times X. But we don't have X. Instead of X we have only classes, that is groups 0, 5, 5, 10. So to find the X, we need to find the mid value of the first column. So we can find the midpoint X. So midpoint X is 0 plus 5 divided by 2. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Next mid value is 5 plus 10 divided by 2. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Next mid value is 10 plus 15 divided by 2. That is 10 plus 15, 25. 25 by 2 is 12.5. Then 15 plus 20 divided by 2, which is 17.5. 20 plus 25 divided by 2 is 22.5. Now we can find Fx. F times X. F is 28 in the first line. Then X is 2.5. So 28 times 2.5, which is 70. 32 times 7.5, which is 240. 20 times 12.5, which is 250. 14 times 17.5, which is 245. 6 times 22.5, 135. And mean, as usual, the last column, which is sigma Fx, 940 divided by the sum of the frequencies, that is 100. 940 divided by 100, which is 9.4. Next question. The table below shows information about the number of goals scored by a football club in each of its last 45 games. So median. Median, that is the middle number. For median in the frequency table, we need the cumulative frequency. The last column will be, third column will be cumulative frequency. So let's see the cumulative frequency. 7 is the first cumulative frequency. That is, first person till 7th person got 0 goal. 8th person till 21st person got 1 goal. After 21. 22nd person till 29th person got 2 goals. So 23rd person is coming in this. So the median is 2. See another question. Determine the median class from a grouped frequency table. So for the median, we have to find CF, cumulative frequency. So 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 10, 29, 29 plus 11, 40. The total frequency is 40. The total number is 40. So 40 by 2, which is 20. 20th number will be the median, roughly. So 20th number is where up to 19 you can see third. So after 19, 20th, 21st up to 29th is fourth line. So in which group? 150 to 100 group is the 20th. Next question, which is to find the model class. The class which is containing the mode. The table shows information about the volume of water in meter cube used by each of 80 families in 1 year. So mode is very easy. Mode is the most occurring one. You can see that 44 frequency, and against that you have the class which is 400, 500. That's the most repeating, and the model class is 400, 500. Its frequency is the highest one. A different question. Some information about the speeds in kilometer per hour of 100 cars. Work out an estimate for the number of cars with a speed of more than 85 kilometers per hour. So more than 85 kilometers per hour means it's in the group of 80, 100 clearly.
So more than 85 kilometers. So that is 3/4 of the last one. So the frequency of 80/100 is 24. So 3/4 of 24 will be having more than 85. That is 3/4 times 24, which is 18.
Hope these questions were very useful for you. We will meet in another video with some other topics. Thank you very much.